Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing fantastic. Today I'll show you how we are collecting rice seeds from this plant. And I'm not a good speaker, that's why I'm slowly speak English, and I'm trying to speak English because I want to be a professional and international traveler and travel blogger. That's why I'm trying to learn English, because I believe everything is learning. So now I am working in the field, a farm work. So right now I am trying to speak about farming related. So I think my audience will be helped to practice English, and if I mistake any words, my audience will be resolve this word, and I think my audience will write my mistakes word in the comment section. So dear viewers, let's see this nature background, and I like nature, that's why I'm making nature blog video. So I think my audience will me support. So see this view, an amazing view I think. And see, I'm injured, and see this bird, beautiful bird, and this is our rice trees we are collecting from here. And finally, thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz, bye bye.